Hello children. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic called light. Have you ever wondered how we are able to see people, books, toys, and everything around us? That's because of light. In this lesson, we will discover where light comes from and why it is so important. Before we begin, let's see what we are going to learn today. First, we will understand what light is. Then, we will learn about different sources of light. After that, we will explore natural and artificial sources. Finally, we will learn about luminous and non-luminous objects and revise everything together. Imagine you're sitting in a room at night and suddenly all the lights go off. Can you see your books or your toys? No, you cannot. But when someone switches on a light, the whole room becomes bright. This shows us that light helps our eyes see everything around us. Now let's learn about the sources of light. A source of light is anything that gives out light. Because of light, we can see different colors, shapes, and objects around us. Without light, even our favorite toys or books would not be visible. Some things in nature give out light on their own. These are called natural sources of light. The biggest and brightest natural source is the sun. At night, we can also see stars shining and twinkling in the sky. They are natural sources of light too. Can you see the moon in the picture? The moon looks bright, but it does not make its own light. It reflects the sun's light. We can also see glowworms and fireflies glowing in the dark. These tiny insects produce light naturally, which makes them very special. Now let's talk about artificial sources of light. These are light sources made by people. Electric bulbs help brighten our homes. When there is no electricity, we can use a candle for a small amount of light. Both are examples of artificial sources. Have you ever used a torch at night? A torch is another artificial source of light. It helps us walk safely in the dark and find things easily. Artificial light also helps us read indoors whenever there is not enough natural sunlight. Now let's learn about luminous objects. Luminous objects are things that produce their own light. Natural luminous objects include the sun, stars, and glowworms. Artificial luminous objects include electric bulbs and candles because they also give out light. Some objects do not make their own light. These are called non-luminous objects. We can only see them when light falls on them. Tables, chairs, and books are non-luminous objects. The moon is also non-luminous because it shines by reflecting the sun's light. Now it's your turn to think. Look carefully at these three pictures. Which one is a natural source of light? Is it the sun, the candle, or the torch? The correct answer is the sun because it gives out light naturally without being made by people. Great! Let's quickly remember what we learned today. A source of light is anything that gives out light. Sources of light can be natural or artificial. Luminous objects make their own light, while non-luminous objects can only be seen when light falls on them. Keep observing the wonderful world around you, and happy learning with EduRev.